Face pits, acne scars. This is a common condition. The person who has faced acne or pimples faces this problem. Today I want to bring forward to you the remedies to get rid of acne scars or face pits. Till I am here or when I am gone, I will always be here with you anytime, anywhere. Whatever knowledge and wisdom I have gained in homeopathy, it's my dream that it may reach the last person standing in the last line of the society as an easy and simple solution for better health. And I am doing everything possible to make this dream a reality. I ask you for your active participation in this endeavor, which is not for me, not only for you, but for the entire mankind. Welcome to Dr. Umang Khanna Homeopathic Clinic English channel. Namaste. Friends, today we will be talking about face scars or face pits which get on the face or the skin due to acne or pimples. It's a very embarrassing situation for people who face acne or pimples. 90% of the situation they get scars or face pits on the skin. Today I would be telling you some of the homeopathic remedies to get rid of this face scars, face pimples and the face pits. The medicines in this video are helpful, friends, but I humbly request you to consult a physician nearby for the individualization of the medicines according to you. So let's start the journey to how to get rid of face scars, face pits in the case of pimples, acne, whiteheads or blackheads. Wonderful remedy to get rid of acne scars or face pits in homeopathy is Berberis aquifolium. The patient who had pimples and after that he has got scars on the skin, Berberis aquifolium could be of great help. You can take Berberis aquifolium mother tincture 20 drops 2 times per day in half cup water, and you can apply about 5 drops diluted with little bit water by the cotton balls on your skin and leave it. This medicine would help you get rid of discoloration, of pits, of scars and would help you to make your skin flawless. In some cases, acne scars are there where there is oily skin. The patient has oily skin and the acne scars get after the acne more on that type of skin, and the homeopathic natural remedy to get rid of the oily skin, over oily skin and the acne scars or face pits caused by recurrent acne is sorinum. Patient can take sorinum 200 potency 1 dose a week to get rid of the acne scars which happen to be on the oily skin by the acne eruptions. This medicine will help you indeed in that case. One condition in case of acne scars is the patient had the history of pustular acne, and after the pustular acne, these acne scars or face pits occur. If that is the case, the probable remedy for this symptom is calibromatum. Patient can take calibromatum 30 power 3 times a day if he or she is having acne scars or face pits after the formation of pustular acne or pimples or eruptions. This medicine will help you in that case. One symptom which is there in the case of acne scars or face pits is over sweating, perspiration of the skin. There is high grade of perspiration in the skin, and after that patient is getting face pits or acne scars. If that is the case, homeopathic remedy for this symptom is myrrh solubilis. Patient can take myrrh solubilis 30 potency 3 times a day, 2 drops, if he or she is having excessive perspiration from the skin and he or she is having acne and the discoloration of the skin is due to the acne. Myrrh sol will help you in that case. Top remedy for face pits due to acne is silicea. Patient can take silicea 30 potency 3 times a day if he or she is having face pits and there is perspiration from the skin, the patient feels cold more. This remedy could be the drug of the choice. Silicea is also a very good remedy for pustular acne. Then there is a symptom of red acne. If the patient has the history of red acne and after that he or she is having scars on the face, then the drug of the choice to remove those scars which have redness is belladonna. Patient can take belladonna 200 3 times a day. This medicine would help you in the formation of scars. Friends, these are some of the remedies which may help you get rid of acne scars, face pits. But I want to bring to your notice that these medicines are for your reference only. Please consult a qualified physician before taking any of the medicines. If you have any query, please write in the comment box below. We would be glad to respond to it. We will wait for your comments about this video, which will give us the way forward. I humbly request you to please share the video with your friends, society, so that people could get knowledge and the way forward. Thank you for being with us. Namaste.